I have a plan for a perpetual motion machine. In operation, my machine uses 1. Capillary action and 2. Evaporation action. Capillary action is the ability of a narrow tube to draw water up into itself via the adhesive force between the water and the tube's walls. Evaporation action is the heat in the air causes the top layer of water in a tube to rise into the air. This action also pulls up the next layer. I know these two actions will make my perpetual motion machine work because they are the same actions that work inside of trees. The tallest trees in the world are the sequoias or redwoods. The tallest are 380 feet high. These trees raise water from below ground to the height of 380 feet using both capillary and evaporation actions. Capillary action draws groundwater up into the roots and up into the trunk of the tree. This tree is 380 feet high and has a diameter of 50 feet at the base. The tree trunk contains many thousands of tubes, only 30 microns wide. These tiny tubes run from the ground to the top of the tree. At the top of the tree, evaporation action draws water from the leaves and pulls new water up into the leaves. The evaporated water rises into the air to form clouds. Rain falls from the clouds and soaks into the ground to form new groundwater. Then the whole action is repeated all over again and again and again. This is my perpetual motion machine. My perpetual motion machine works the same way a 380-foot high sequoia tree works. The perpetual motion machine is 300 feet high. It is 100 feet wide on each side. Its core consists of 2 million plastic tubes running from the ground to the top. Each tube is only 30 microns in diameter. Capillary action draws water up into the tubes. At the top, evaporation action pulls water up out of the tubes. The evaporated water rises into a glass hood area and then into a condensation tube where it turns into water. The water falls 300 feet. The kinetic energy of the falling water turns a 10 kilowatt electric turbine here. Then the process in this perpetual motion machine is repeated over and over again. This perpetual motion machine works 4 times better in the sunlight, but it also will work at night.